AnneMarie Borlind, for lips, 0.17 ounces, 5 grams. Product overview description. Natural beauty protection and care for lips. Care for dry, chapped lips. Caring, smoothing, protecting. Shea butter and organic bisabolol soothe and care for the lips' sensitive skin and support the repair process. Also guards lips against the cold. Use, for dry, chapped lips. Compatibility and effectiveness scientifically confirmed, no mineral oil derivatives. Vegetarian. Other ingredients: Ricinus communis seed oil, castor, butyrospermum parkii butter, Shea, euphorbia cerifera, candelilla, cera alba, beeswax, copernica cerifera, carnauba, vanillin, tocopheryl acetate, bisabolol, allantoin, glycine soja oil, soybean, vanilla planifolia fruit extract, ascorbyl palmitate, lecithin, panthenyl ethyl ether, tocopheryl, hydrogenated polyglyceride citrate. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.